Thank you for making the first step with GovReports. Setting up your account to start GovReporting can be done in minutes. Here are the relevant settings steps you can follow one by one to get started. Setting up Google Authentication as an option for two-factor authentication for a secured login. This option is most reliable and preferred than the options of third-party services such as email or text to mobile phone. For those who have yet used Google Authenticator, to apply on your GovReports account, you will need to install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone, and set up prior to use. If you already have Google Authenticator on your phone from other software applications, then scan the QR code to use for GovReports. To enable Google Authenticator as part of your GovReports login process, please log into your GovReports account, and from the main dashboard, click on Settings on the top right corner, and select My Account. In My Account screen, click on Security Setting. You will find Google Authenticator, and click on Enable. GovReports will display the unique barcode for your account, as well as the manual code. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and begin the setup process. If you haven't used Google Authenticator yet, go to the App Store on your phone, select and download Google Authenticator. Scan the barcode. Then enter the code issued by Google Authenticator manually, and complete your setup. Once this is done, your next GovReports login will have 3 security code options to choose from, including email, SMS text message, and/or Google Authenticator code. Ato Software Nomination. Connect your GovReports account to Ato with the Ato Software Nomination for lodgements, and Ato More services. This process is required for you to set up and connect GovReports with Ato for any lodgements and/or Ato services. You will need to nominate GovReports as your cloud, online, software provider before being able to lodge forms through the GovReports portal. To set up and complete the Ato nomination process, log into your GovReports account, and onto the dashboard, click Settings, and select Lodgement Settings. Click Generate to get a unique software number, specific for your business. Now you can either call Ato via telephone on 1300-853222 to advise them of your unique software ID number you've generated, and click Activate Nomination, and submit, or log into Access Manager from Ato portal with your MyGov credentials. Select My Hosted SBR Software Services. Click Notify the Ato of your hosted service. To nominate GovReports, use the online software provider search facility to retrieve GovReports details, then use the clickable ABN to select GovReports. Enter the software ID provided to you by GovReports. Read the declaration, and confirm by clicking Save on the right-hand side. A successful notification will appear confirming GovReports as your online software service provider. Your account after confirmation and activation will be ready for lodgements, and for Ato services. Account Settings. Other relevant account settings for your account are: My Business. If in case you haven't or want to update the setup of your business details, business logo, bank details, and contact details from My Business. Go to Settings, and select My Account, choose My Business. Click Edit to update your business information, and save. My Profile enable you to make changes to your initial setup contact details, upload profile image, set alias name, and allows changing the username and password of your GovReports account. Personalize outgoing emails. Customize outgoing emails with your own email to send invoices, lodgement receipts, and other marketing or authority emails directly. GovReports from your own email, including send out email for digital signature. Your clients will feel safer with emails coming from your usual email address. And depending on the user's email service providers, the setting up process can be different. From your GovReports main dashboard, go to Settings, and select My Account, and then choose Email Setting. The initial and default setup, outgoing email is from GovReports, and to personalize and configure your own email settings, click Edit Email Setting. Change the provider from the given drop-down. Configure your own email address, and its corresponding password. Gmail and Microsoft Office require additional settings to send email from external tools, or applications like GovReports. If you are using Gmail or Microsoft Office as your provider, and if two-factor authentication is enabled, then you will be required to create an app password, and update the same password in GovReports email setting password box. Email signature. Configure your own email signature, so that all emails sent to clients from your GovReports account will have your personalized signature with contact details in the email. From your GovReports main dashboard, go to Settings, and select My Account, and then choose Email Setting. Click Edit Email Setting. Configure your own personalized signature, or copy and paste the signature from external sources into the signature settings directly, and submit. Let's GovReporting. First, we need to import client list from Ato. This process will save you time from entering client data one by one. However, the imported data is limited, and depending on your service requirements, you may need to fill out more details for the clients to fulfill on forms. To import clients, go to My Clients from the left side menu bar, and Import, and select to either from Ato, or Manual to upload CSV file. If from Ato, the system will start connecting, and downloading the information of your client's name, or business names, and their ABN. Go to My Clients, and select the client name to open. Go to Ato Services, and choose Sync from Ato to fulfill the client's contact details, and thus saves time. Once clients are successfully imported, you can go to each client and sync with Ato to fulfill the contact details for your clients that the Ato has on each one. Alternatively, you can edit the client to enter their individual details. These information will be relevant to fulfill some if not most of the form to be prepared, and lodged to Ato. Configure clients for outstanding reports. This is one of the most demanded features for tax practitioners as it shows the list of what reports and lodgements have been issued by Ato for each client, but not yet lodged. These outstanding reports includes 1. Ato forms such as Activity Statement, Taxable Payments Annual Reports. 2. Payroll tax forms such as SA Payroll Tax Periodic Return, WA Periodic Return. To configure clients, go to My Lodgements, and select Outstanding Reports. Click on the action, and select Client Configuration. Select Clients, and click Update List for those you want to synchronize reports from Ato for an updated work plan. You can auto-synchronize the outstanding reports by setting the frequency from My Lodgements. Select Outstanding Reports. Go to Action tab. Select Synchronize Frequency Setting. Select your preference from the drop-down menu, and hit Submit. Outstanding reports can be viewed on GovReports main dashboard, and also from My Lodgements. Outstanding Reports. Practice Setting. Office Practice Manager, OPM, in GovReports, enables users to incorporate a systematic process for better client management, job management, workflow tracking, and GovReports calendar integration for best practice management of your internal business systems. Before using Office Practice Manager, you can set up OPM with your default settings, and customize to your practice requirements. From the GovReports main dashboard, go to Settings. Select Practice Settings. New Client Services Checklist. Every agent may offer different levels of services to clients, depending on the client's nature of the business when you are engaged by them. The New Client Services Checklist is the default checklist for you to use, or to customize as required for your practice. You can customize the services on offer and pre-fill those services in the letter of engagement, and send them to your client for authorization. To access New Client Services Checklist, go to Settings. Practice Settings. New Client Services. Then select Edit. Lodgement Receipt Report. You can send updates to clients with their business, or personal lodgements when you make on their behalf by configuring to send the lodgement receipts as, and when you make the lodgement. From Settings. Lodgement Settings, and select Report Settings. In the Report Settings screen, tick the box next to Send Lodgement Receipt to Client. This will enable the connectivity between your practice email address, and the email address of your clients. To set up the clients to whom you wish to send the lodgement receipts, click on Client Configuration. You can select the clients to send the lodgement receipts. The clients can be excluded, or included to send the receipts based on your preference. Now you are all set to start Gov reporting. If you are still in doubt, reach out to us. We look forward to servicing you. If you want to know more about GovReports, and its features, and services, please visit our webinar page, and select past webinar topics that are relevant to your knowledge requirement.